Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Boyd. In this episode, I'm going to do a grilled halibut. It's a real simple recipe. I have some halibut right here that I got from the shrimp guy in Columbia, South Carolina. Actually, it was this thick, so I went ahead and cut it to make it smaller to give more for members of the family so they can eat. And what I'm going to do is just take some olive oil and brush some olive oil onto this fish, the halibut. And once that's ready, just like so, I'm gonna get both sides. I'm gonna do this so that way it doesn't stick to the grill grates while I'm outside. Get the other side here. It won't take much here. Just like so. Flip that around. And two, just like that. And with that done, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little sea salt, grind it over the top here, just like that. And some black pepper, just the same. Sorry about the shadows here. Just like that. And then just a little bit of paprika. I'm just gonna touch it up here with the paprika. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do a little garlic butter sauce. So when this is done, I'm gonna eat this fish and then dip it in a little garlic butter. That'll taste wonderful. So let's get this out on the grill. All right, I'm out at the grill. The grill's set about almost 400 degrees right now, but it'll cool down once I open up the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take this halibut. I've got my grate out here. Place the halibut with the seasoned side down, just like that. Just a little small piece here. And that piece. And what I'm gonna do then is, of course, season the other side. So put a little black pepper back on here, just like so. Oh boy, I can't wait to eat this. I am so hungry already. A little sea salt, just grind on there. And of course, a little paprika on the top. So we'll cook this just a few minutes, and we'll know when it's ready because all I have to do is press on the fish, and it's gonna basically fillet and break apart. Then I'll know it's done. I'll probably flip it one time here, okay? All right, it's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna check out my fish. It's looking good. This is a smaller piece. I'm gonna keep it on the cooler side of the grill. Wow, I can see this. Look at that. It's already coming apart. Then I'll go ahead and flip that over. These are thin and deliberate because I did it like that so that way all the kids in the family can have some of this halibut. Now this is a nice big thick piece, so I'll go ahead and flip that over. Same with this piece. Like that. That's going to be perfect. If these small ones get done beforehand, I'm going to bring them over to the cool side of the grill. So let that cook for another 3 minutes. All right, it's been a few more minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check my halibut. It's looking good. I know it was getting pretty warm over here, and this is already filleting apart. Look at that. Oh boy, that tastes great. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and take the halibut inside. It's perfect. Just like that. And then I'll show you one little last trick of dipping this in a little garlic butter, and it tastes like lobster. It's great. All right, I brought the fish inside, the halibut, and I'm gonna try to grab a little piece of this. And I made my own garlic butter. This is gonna taste wonderful. Oops, dropped a little bit. Oh my goodness, that is wonderful. You gotta try this recipe. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel.